Hi, I'm Tina. Hi, I'm Tina Bennett. And today we're going to talk about again what it means to be a father's rights attorney. As I said last week, a father's rights attorney is somebody that represents men. And in my practice, that means if a woman's coming to my office, they're wanting a fair and reasonable agreement. They're not here to make war with the other side. It'll never work. But we're going to talk about some things that are happening with inside family court right now. I'm doing a video blog. Well, guess what? What you see here is actually what you'll see when you're doing court electronically. So one of the things you have to remember when you're doing court is, I'm wearing a sweatshirt. This is not appropriate. Pretend like you are in court. You need to look professional, okay? You don't need the court to send you a notice and say, big boobs on your shirt. I like big boobs. No, that doesn't work, okay? Nor does it work if the court can see you wearing your boxer shorts. That's not cool. Or watching porno in the back. Not a good thing to do when you're at a court appearance, okay? These are the things that I'm seeing right now as an attorney. I will wear a dress shirt or shirt and a jacket, not a sweatshirt, not a t-shirt that says, I like big blank, okay? So when you're on video as a person, speak clearly, be respectful, be direct. If your attorney is giving you signals to be quiet, you need to be quiet, okay? The same thing with the court. So since I'm only one side right now and it's just recording me speaking, remember, there's not a court reporter most of the times typing away what's going on. Usually it's electronically done. It will not pick up your voice if 4 people are speaking at the same time. So if you want to be heard, you need to give everybody a chance to speak. So if I'm talking, the other attorney shouldn't be talking, the court shouldn't be talking, and when the court's talking, everybody needs to be quiet. So that's a really good tip. The other one is the courts don't want to see you drinking. So if you're an alcoholic, don't drink. If you got a big mirror that says I'm the boss, don't put it up to your face, okay? So here are some of my off the cuff remarks about what's happening with video conferencing in court. Be professional at all times. Don't roll your eyes. Don't shake your head like a lunatic. Maintain a straight face, look professional, and everything will be okay. So that's my tip for today, and I hope you have a nice day. It's beautiful out. Enjoy.